What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new method you can go and use and earn some extra money very fast on Clickbank using 100% automated traffic. That is going to be very targeted traffic. I can go and use this and earn a lot of money very fast on Clickbank. I'm going to show you guys I can go and use this particular method and promote Clickbank products on complete autopilot for 100% free, so you don't need any money to go and get started with this particular method. So if you're going to take action on this method, you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic as soon as today. I can go and get a lot of sales very fast. So you can go and get traffic in just a few minutes. If you're going to implement this method, I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So the method I'm going to be showing you guys is a method you can go and use and make up to $200 plus on Clickbank using 100% automated free traffic, and these are very targeted traffic from a very big traffic source that I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. So be sure to pay very close attention to this particular method right here. So this method you're going to be using free traffic method, and this is available worldwide. So you can go and do this from anywhere around the world and still going to go and get a lot of free traffic. You can still make a lot of money where I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to do this with 30 minutes of work, so you don't need a lot of work to go and get this traffic, as I'm going to show you guys right here. I'm going to show you guys I can go and use two free softwares. I'm going to use this to get a lot of traffic and get some sales very fast. And this method as well is also very easy to implement, so anybody can go and do this and start earning some money on Clickbank. So be sure to pay very close attention right here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to do to implement this method properly to get the highest amount of traffic and get the highest amount of sales on Clickbank. So you can go and use this particular method as well and promote, for example, other affiliate products in other networks. For example, this 24, and it's going to go and get a lot of results in this particular method right here. I'm going to show you guys, as I'm going to show you guys right here, you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic to your blog, to your affiliate links with this particular method right here in just a few minutes. You are going to implement what I'm going to show you in this particular training. So be sure to watch till the end, take action on the method, and you're going to start getting some results as well. So that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified when I post new videos that can help you guys start earning some extra money online. So I post new videos every day. You can go and take action on these different methods. I can go and use and earn some extra money online, as many other subscribers that are taking action on these different methods are already earning some extra money online, and many of them are using 100% free methods and are earning a lot of money very fast online. So that's it, guys. So also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day consistently on Clickbank, be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exam method I'm using to make money every day consistently on Clickbank that many other students are using, and they're always making a lot of money as well. So that's it, guys. So let's get into this video. Let me show you guys exactly this method you can go and use and start earning some extra money with 100% free traffic on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do to start earning some extra money very fast on Clickbank using this 100% free traffic method right here. So first step, as always, they're going to go and choose a high converting offer on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. They're going to go and promote it very easily and use it and start making some sales very fast. So once you go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, you can see a lot of products right here. You can see that if I start by gravity, a lot of these products are converting very well. I can go and promote any of these products using this method I'm going to show you guys with 100% free traffic. I can go and get some extra money very fast on Clickbank on complete autopilot. So I'm going to show you guys the free softwares that I'm going to go and use and promote this on complete autopilot. I can go and earn a lot of money very fast. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and choose one product that's converting very well. I'm going to go and promote it using this free traffic method I'm going to show you right here. So for the example, I'm just going to go and promote products in the spirituality niche. So let me just type, for example, manifestation. So for example, manifestation, you're going to find a lot of spirituality products on Clickbank. And spirituality products on Clickbank convert very well. I've promoted a lot of them and I've made a lot of sales promoting spirituality related products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can see right here, for example, this one is not for sale yet. You can see one money magnet manifestation. So this one's paying only $15 and the gravity is very low. So I'm just going to go and look for a product that has a decent gravity that other affiliates are promoting and they're getting sales. And I'm also going to go and promote this particular product as well. So I see this one, for example, you can see this one, the manifestation millionaire is going to pay you $32 per sale. So you can see this particular product is converting very well. It also have a gravity of 7, but it's still getting a lot of sales. So you can do from here is I can go to the sales page of this product. I can also go to the affiliate tools area, and we're going to go and learn more about this particular product right here. So let's go to the sales page of the product. I can see this video sales page right here. So let's go, for example, to the affiliate tools area. I can go and find a lot of tools I can go and use and promote this product very easily. So you can see it's getting up to $1 EPCs right here for people that are promoting this particular product. So let's go to the affiliate tools area and let's find out more information about this particular product. If you can go and earn a lot more money than this $32 promoting this particular product right here. So this is the affiliate tools area. I can see right here this particular product has a lot of upsells. So you want to also go and make sure that any product you're promoting has a lot of upsells, because you can go and make a lot more money and a lot more profits in the upsells. So as he has an upsell of $67, $47, and $47. I'm also going to be getting commission if anybody buys those upsells as well. So scroll down here on the affiliate tools area. You can see how many people are promoting this particular product. For example, you can see this person made up to $1,000 in 24 hours promoting this particular offer. So this particular offer is converting very well. You can see many other people are promoting these products and they're also getting a lot of results right here. So you also want to go and make sure that people are promoting this particular product and they're getting sales. That if you're going to promote this product as well, you're also going to get sales as well. So we're going to go and look for the tools that we're going to go and use and promote this particular product easily. So let's go, for example, to the affiliate tools. Right here, you can see there's a lot of tools I can go and use and promote this particular product right here. So we're going to go and use these tools right here. I'm going to go and promote this particular product very easily with 100% free traffic, as I'm going to show you. So be sure to pay a very close attention to the method I'm going to show you right here. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and promote this particular product using Twitter, guys. So we're going to go and use free Twitter traffic to go and promote this particular product. I'm going to show you guys exactly we're going to go and use Twitter. I can go and get a lot of traffic very fast. I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy you're going to go and use and promote your products on Twitter on complete autopilot and start getting some sales very fast, promoting different affiliate products. So be sure to pay very close attention right here. So all you're going to do is you're going to go and create a free Twitter account. So you don't need to have any followers to go and make money with this particular method right here. So you don't need to have any followers. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to do. So you can go and get started with a brand new Twitter account. So I can go and use this exact strategy I'm going to show you guys and start getting some sales very fast. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a free Twitter account. All you're going to do next, they're going to go to Google. I'm going to go and type this website right here. You're going to go and type TweetDeck. So you're going to type TweetDeck. It's going to bring you to this website right here, tweetdeck.twitter.com. So this is a tool on Twitter that you can go and use and tweet on complete autopilot. So be sure to pay attention right here. So once you go to tweetdeck.com, so you're going to go and click right here. It's going to sign it into your Twitter account and it's going to enable you to go and post tweets on complete autopilot using this free tool on Twitter right here that many people don't know about this particular tool right here. So it's going to enable you to go and tweet on complete autopilot and promote your affiliate offer on complete autopilot. I can go and get a lot of sales from here. So I'm going to show you guys very easily from here. So let's go to tweetdeck.com. What you're going to do is I can go and click right here. So I'm going to click right here. It's going to enable you to go and schedule a tweet that's going to be posted on autopilot. So you're going to do is you're going to go and schedule a lot of different tweets promoting your affiliate offer, and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot. You're going to be getting a lot of traffic. So be sure to pay very close attention because I'm going to show you guys how you can go and get a lot more exposure and get a lot more traffic to your affiliate offers and get a lot more sales using this particular tool right here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and tweet right here and you're going to go and share your tweets right here on this particular tool, and this is 100% free. So let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do from here. So we're going to be promoting this particular product, for example, the manifestation millionaire right here. You can see this particular product also have a lot of tools that I can go and use and promote this product right here. So you can see right here, if you click on Twitter, you can see this particular product has given you a lot of tweets that you can just go and copy and paste and promote this particular product. I can also go and create your own tweets as well and use this particular method I'm showing guys and still get a lot of results. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and copy this particular tweet. So let's copy this one right here. They've already created this tweet for us. We're just going to copy right here. I'm going to go and post right here on TweetDeck. So let's paste this right here. And that's going to be our tweet. And we're going to go and input a link back to our affiliate offer right here. So what I want to do is that you don't want to go and link directly from Twitter back to your affiliate link because your link is going to get blocked. So what I recommend is that you can go and use a simple landing page like this one. So this is a very simple landing page. You can go and link people back from here to your affiliate offer. You can go and use, for example, Linktree to link people back from Twitter back to your affiliate offer. So your links are not going to get blocked on Twitter for spamming. So you can go and create a very simple landing page on your website. You can go and use Linktree, as Linktree is 100% free. I can just go and create a very simple link like this that's going to help you to go back from Twitter back to your affiliate offer, guys. So all you're going to do from here next, you're going to go to the website, you're going to go to Google, and you're going to go and type #ify. You're going to find this particular website. It's called #ify.me. And what you're going to do is I'm going to show you viral hashtags that can go and put in your tweets that is going to get you a lot of exposure. I can go and get a lot of traffic and get a lot of sales using this exact method right here. So let's go to #ify.me right here. So click on this. It's going to take you back to the website. I can go and find the I go to find the best hashtag I can go and use promoting your own affiliate offer right here. So let me close this. So what I'm going to do from here is that we're just going to go and input our hashtags from here. So let me remove this right here. I'm just going to go and input, for example, law of attraction. Since the product we're promoting is a spirituality product, so let me input law of attraction. So once you input law of attraction, we're just going to go and click on search. It's going to go and search this particular hashtag right here. So it's going to be hashtag law of attraction. You can see the popularity of the particular tweet right here. You can see as A is very popular right now. You can see right here, these are other hashtags that you can go and use as well. That you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic as well. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and input these particular hashtags in your tweet to go and get a lot of targeted traffic. So we're just going to go and copy this one. So we're just going to go and copy, for example, hashtag law of attraction. I'm just going to input this in TweetDeck. So we're just going to go and input this right here. So let's input this before we're going to input our affiliate link. So we're going to input our link, then we're going to go and input these hashtags right here. So let me input hashtag law of attraction. I'm just going to go and copy the next hashtag. So let me copy the next one, hashtag motivation. So let me copy this other one. So let me just copy these other ones right here. Let me just copy this and I'm just going to go and paste inside TweetDeck right here. So let me just paste this right here. And as guys, these are hashtags that many people are searching for. I can go and get a lot of exposure from these different hashtags right here. So what I'm going to do from here is that you're just going to go and input many of these different hashtags right here to go and get a lot more exposure. For example, I'm just going to leave it like this, but what you're going to do is that you're just going to go and leave a link back to your affiliate offer from here. So we're just going to go and copy the link. So let me just copy this one for this example. I'm just going to go and paste it right here. So let me just go and paste it right here. And that's going to be a link back to my affiliate offer. So let me just paste this as my link right here. What I'm going to do from here is that I recommend that you can go and shorten this on Bitly. So Bitly links are mostly used very much on Twitter. So you can just go and shorten this on Bitly. I can go and paste this right here. So let me just shorten this on Bitly. So let me just go to Bitly and I'm just going to shorten this particular link right here. So that's it. I'm just going to go to Bitly. I'm just going to input that link right there. I'm just going to click on create. And that's it. I'm just going to go and copy. And as guys, I'm going to go and input this at TweetDeck and I'm just going to go and schedule this and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot. So let me paste this right here. And as you guys see, my tweet has already been done and I can just go and schedule this. What you're going to do here is that you're just going to go and click on schedule tweet. So click on schedule tweet. It's going to be scheduled, guys. So I'm going to schedule this and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot. So I'm going to schedule this today. So I'm going to just change the time. So I'm going to just change the time, example 10 o'clock. 10:40, I can just share this at 10:40 a.m. and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot. So what you're going to do is that you're just going to go and schedule a lot of tweets and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot with this viral hashtag right here. I can go and get a lot of traffic from these different hashtags that I'm showing you guys right here. So let me just share this one for the example. I can go and share this one for the next day. So let me just share this one right here. And I'm just going to leave it like this. I can also go and add images or videos right here. So images or videos can also go and help you to go and get a lot of exposure. So for this example, I'm just going to go and leave it like this and I'm just going to go and share this right here. So I'm just going to go and click right here, tweet on this. And as you guys can see, that's already been scheduled right here. So all you're going to do from here next day, I can just go and click on next. I can go and schedule the next tweet, guys. So all you're going to do is that you're just going to go and copy and paste and you're just going to schedule multiple of these posts. You can go and get a lot of targeted traffic very fast, guys. So let me just paste this one right here. So let me just paste this right here with a call to action. I'm just going to go and copy the next tweet. So let me go back, for example, to the affiliate tools area. I'm just going to go and copy the next tweet. So let me just copy this one. I'm just going to go and post this right here, guys. So let me just delete this one. And as guys, I'm just going to go and share this, for example, 1 hour after the first tweet has already been sent, guys. So let me just delete this. And as guys, go and input, for example, images or videos right here. So I'm just going to go and leave it like this. I'm just going to go and schedule this. And as I'm going to go and share this one, for example, to Friday, for example, at 8:41 a.m. I can just go and click on schedule. It's going to be tweeted at that particular date, guys. So this is a very simple tool that I can go and use and schedule tweets on complete autopilot. I am using this particular tool I've shown you guys. Hashtag if I can go and find a lot of different viral tools I can go and use, and it's going to go and get you a lot of traffic very fast, guys. So this is a very easy method you can go and use and promote your affiliate offer on complete autopilot using this particular tool, because it's going to enable you to go and tweet a lot of tweets. You can go and put unlimited tweets on this particular tool and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot. I don't need any followers to go and get started right here, because the hashtags are going to give you a lot more exposure and going to send a lot of people back to your affiliate offer. I can go and get a lot of sales from this particular method I've shown you guys right here. So that's it, guys. So be sure to go and use Twitter, because many people are not using Twitter, but Twitter is getting a lot of traffic. So you can see right here, Twitter is still getting up to 6 billion visitors every month, and many people are not using this particular platform right here. You can see right here, many people that visit this particular website, they stay up to 11 minutes on this particular website right here, as getting majority of traffic from the United States, guys. So you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic from Twitter. I can go and get a lot of sales. You're going to use this particular method I've shown you guys right here. So you want to make money with this particular method I've shown you guys, all you're going to do is that you're just going to go and take action on this particular method. Are you going to take action? You're going to go and get a lot of targeted traffic. You can go and get a lot of sales as well using this particular method I've shown you guys right here. So that's, guys, if you found this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, so continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. And also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day consistently on Clickbank. Be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money every day on Clickbank. So that's, guys, take action on this method, and I'll see you guys in the next video.